Okay, so now after you saw the old cementations, and then finishes, this very unique case is just done. Right? Okay. This one, two abutment. Let's reduce opposing a little bit because the lower too small. Inside here, cusp. Now it is final. Okay, then to California. Very nice work. Really hard work, you guys. So designing about the lower 24 and 26 is with 4 gold crown, right? So take it out this top. So we make the almost full contour. You see, I have to tell him to grind the opposing, so which is really ugly tooth is the opposite, which is bulky. Still low, fine. And we can, after we cut it back the facial, and then we wax it. So only over here, just like 3/4 flap, cut back, and then the Elvin can wax up, and then we see the contour, the casting 14 karat gold. Let me see the opposing. Yep, so this is custom abutment now. Now we design it, make the full contour. The contour from, yep, show me the full contour. Yep. Now I'm going to give you a little bit more detailed contouring about the lateral. I'm sorry, central is a little covered like this, a little bit bigger. Okay. Trying to make the golden proportion between this contour and their contour. Okay. So continuing the aesthetic between this it's a little bit higher. Let's see, this is the contouring about the almost mono with contour. We'll cut back a little bit later. Once I set up, let me move this. This is too small. So it must be wider, which is overhanging, because I have to match the same as this, but not as much as this. This is really gold tooth, but square sticking out facially. Right here. Now it's too long. Cut it back. See, so it makes the smile line. Then you have to make the better this area. See, out. Okay, so we're going to modify a little bit later and catch up. Now, contact point, you can add a little bit. If you can contact, great. Alright, so this one we're going to grinding. Now the other things, we have to make the line of this. Right. Line of that one for tissue. And I can make the pink aesthetic between here. Alright, so now after we center, after coloring, then you see is my whole effort with grinding the facially. You see the everything. So this is we call after center zirconia. Now we will going to put the wax up in facial only 4, and then we're casting in gold. And also this is upper. I like this. I'm going to make a little bit more better contouring. Looks like a little bit big, this one. The shape down, the better. And then we wax up here, put it in the diamond too, before we go to ceramic. Okay, that one is another part. Nice. So we made the perfect diamond shape after we contouring about single lateral wax up. So what we're going to do after take it off, that one's casting about 14 karat. Yes, and then we polish it and then we cement over here after we finish the final. That's the story. It's beautiful. It's okay.
So this one here.
Alright, this is the final contours after you saw the all information from the design and milling. Cut it back facially, especially joint we have to grind more because we have to make 14 karat turn. See that one. Alright, there's a little bit overlap for the retention. So this one is in case it's now is just wax, put it back, investing, and then casting together. Finally polish with a single 14 karat gold. So almost done. Once we finish this restoration with the color matching with the pink gingiva, and then after glazings we're going to cement this case, and also we're going to apply with the diamond here, which is make patience more unique way. This is a great job. Will be one piece, but right now 3 pieces. Ottoman, this same as the other one, the polishing with the 14 karat gold, kind of a little heavy. We're going to steam a little bit more, and then it's just like that. Okay, same thing. Trying to make modify rich lab. This. This is what it looks like. The frame, actually. So we let them know regarding here, so we're grinding actually, because it's really bulky, and then make us the lower is really low down, so they have trimmed just a little bit. Other than that, it's pretty good. So mission accomplished. Once we finish the 6 unit, over 2 unit will be done. The other 4 piece coming up. So now it's just final glazing. You saw the applied the mirror. It's nice pink color, and then we're going to put the cement soon. We're going to put the diamond as well, which is not glazing. Okay, same thing. Okay, nice job. Okay, so now after you saw the old cementations, then finishes, it's very unique case is just done, right? Okay, this one two abutment, let's reduce opposing a little bit because the lower too small, inside here cusp. Now it is final. Guys, send to California. Very nice work, really hard work, you guys. Awesome.